Hi students, Logan Phillips. Let's talk about your case studies and hear on how to read this Module 1 case study and how you're going to actually submit the case study for review and points. So in Module 1, we have gone from our Blackboard website. We have inside Module 1, it's going to work the same way for every module. We're now here in the Module 1 case study and discussion, ethics of data in social media. Once we open it up, the very first thing we're going to see is this instructional video, and then below it, you're going to see what our actual case study is. You are required to watch this video to complete the case study. You're going to be referencing this video inside your case study. If you do not watch the video and you submit talking points and discussions, you will be talking gibberish, and your case study is going to get a D or F at the best. So make sure you go in and actually watch the video. Now, for your case study, there are assignment objectives. You're going to explore. So this one, we're going to look at the ethics of data mining and social media. We're going to use the case study assignments designed to develop your critical thinking, research, and communications. So you're going to read through this material. You're going to watch the video. You're going to formulate an opinion. Then you're going to go find research outside of my class that is not things I have provided to you. Reference those, enhance your opinion, and cite them inside of a research paper that's 1,000 to 1,500 words. That's about a one-page document. For this assignment objective, we're going to explore the ethical dilemmas related to data mining, focusing on privacy concerns and user consent. We're going to apply the ethical frameworks from the course to analyze real-world challenges in data mining. We're going to reflect on personal and society impacts of data mining practices. That means personal to you, your personal opinions, your personal ideas, your personal everything. And then you're going to provide constructive feedback to your peers. So you're going to go and talk to your peers in the class. The length of the assignment is 1,000 to 1,500 words. So you're going to clearly introduce the topic and its relevance. We're going to talk about the analyze the ethical dilemmas related to data mining. You're going to discuss how the ethical dilemmas on data mining impact your personal values, privacy, and your future career goals. And then you're going to do a scenario analysis. We're going to respond to the following hypothetical situation. Imagine you are a data analyst at a social media company tasked with implementing a new data mining feature. This feature has the potential to infringe on users' privacy, but offers significant business advantages. Discuss the ethical and business implications of the policy, applying course concepts. You're going to use real-world examples, incorporate at least 2 references from the academic or industry resources. And then you're going to summarize your thoughts, your feelings, the impact in your life, the impact that would have in this job, do a full analysis and a conclusion. Now, you must submit this at the plagiarism detector as a Word doc. You must submit this to your discussion board as a post, just the words. Submission requirements, discussion board, copy paste your essay to the discussion board and upload to the plagiarism detector. You must engage with your peers. There are automatic failures here we've discussed before, and know that no late policy is available. So go ahead, when you accomplish this, you'll come down here, you'll make your post, you'll submit it, it'll open up, and then you can answer other people's questions. To complete this assignment, you must do a few things. 1, you must watch the video. 2, you must meet the minimum word requirement of 1,000 words. That does not include titles and headers. That is 1,000 written words. 3, you must post and respond to your students. And you must accomplish it using your own voice, your own opinions, your own background, your own knowledge. So go ahead and jump in. It's not hard to accomplish, but this is the most point value heavy item inside each module. And this is where you are given the chance to put into actual impact all the things you've learned and your own lived experiences. So guys, that's Module 1, Case Study 1 over the ethics of data mining and social media.